as we're talking about atoms, and for those of you that are just tuning in, welcome, welcome. Remember that atoms have three main particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. And inside of an atom, in the very inside, you have protons and neutrons, and then on the outside you have electrons. Now, electrons have different energies. And these different energies are categorized as sublevels, okay? Levels of energy, and then you have sublevels of energy, okay? So I've been telling you that an atom has electrons, but I haven't taught you yet how to determine where these electrons live, because poor guys, they're like hobos. They're on the outside of the nucleus, and they're just like running around and around without a home. No disrespect to Ted, of course. These electrons, okay, divide themselves into sublevels. And these sublevels can be classified into something called orbitals. Now, hopefully when you hear the word orbitals, something comes to mind. Hopefully you think about planets and how planets have different orbits around the sun, right? For instance, which is the farthest planet from the sun?
Pluto.
It's Pluto, right? It's been reclassified as a dwarf planet. And then which is the closest planet to the sun?
Mercury.
That's right. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Welcome, welcome. So then Mercury, right, is close to the sun, and Pluto is far from the sun. So then you could say that the orbitals are different there. It's the same thing with, kind of the same thing with electrons that spin around and around a center. And in this case, the center is the nucleus, right? And so each of these spins can be classified as an orbital. And there are four main orbitals.